Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to our Ramadan series. Last time, we laid the foundation. Today, we're diving deeper. We're tackling some complex, often asked fiqh rulings that can be confusing. 25 brainbusters. Let's see if you can keep your head above water. Let's get into it. Round 1. Intention and time specifics. 5 questions. 1. According to the Hanafi school, when must the intention for a fard Ramadan fast be made? A. Before Fajr. B. Before noon. C. Any time before sunset. Answer. A. Before Fajr. 2. A traveler who begins fasting, then breaks his fast to travel, must make Qadr for that day. Answer. True. 3. A person is unsure if it's Ramadan. They fast, but the moon was sighted a day later. This fast is A. A Ramadan fast. B. A voluntary fast. C. Invalid. Answer. B. A voluntary fast. 4. In the Shafi'i school, can you combine intention for a makeup, Qadr fast, and a voluntary, nafil, fast on the same day? A. Yes. B. No. C. Only for the elderly. Answer. A. Yes. 5. A woman's menstruation ends at sunset. Her fast for that day is A. Valid. B. Invalid, requires Qadr. C. Invalid, requires fidya. Answer. B. Invalid, requires Qadr. Round 2. Nullifiers and medical issues. 5 questions. 6. According to a contemporary ruling, does a non-nutritive IV drip break the fast? A. Yes. B. No. C. Only if given before al-dhuhr. Answer. B. No. 7. Swallowing post-nasal drip during a fast. A. Always breaks the fast. B. Never breaks the fast. C. Breaks it only if intentional. Answer. C. Breaks it only if intentional. 8. The Maliki opinion on using an asthma inhaler is that it A. Breaks the fast. B. Does not break the fast. C. Is disliked, but permissible. Answer. A. Breaks the fast. 9. Having a tooth extracted while fasting breaks the fast if you A. Feel pain. B. See blood. C. Swallow blood. Answer. C. Swallow blood. 10. General anesthesia that causes unconsciousness nullifies the fast and requires A. Qadr only. B. Qadr and kafara. C. No compensation. Answer. A. Qadr only. Round 3. Zakat al-Fitr Deep Dive. 5 questions. 11. Paying Zakat al-Fitr in cash is A. Invalid. B. Permissible if more beneficial. C. The preferred method. Answer. B. Permissible if more beneficial. 12. According to the Hanafi school, can Zakat al-Fitr be given to a non-Muslim? A. Yes. B. No. C. Only in dire need. Answer. A. Yes. 13. A working student abroad pays his own fitter. This is A. Correct. B. Incorrect. His father pays. C. Optional. Answer. A. Correct. 14. In the Hanbali school, paying fitr after the Eid prayer is A. A sin but valid as charity. B. Still valid for fitr. C. Invalid. Answer. A. A sin but valid as charity. 15. True or false? You can send your Zakat al-Fitr to another country while local, poor, exist. Answer. False. Round 4. Itikaf and Laylatul Qadr. 5 questions. 16. The minimum itikaf in the Hanafi school is A. A moment. B. 1 day. C. 3 days. Answer. A. A moment. 17. Leaving the mosque for a necessary bath, ghusl, breaks itikaf. False. 18. Intimate relations during itikaf, according to the majority, nullifies it and requires A. Kafarat. B. Qada of the day. C. Qada of the entire itikaf. Answer. C. Qadha of the entire itikaf. 19. A spiritual sign of Laylatul Qadr. A. A warm night. B. The sun rises weekly. C. A feeling of tranquility. Answer. C. A feeling of tranquility. 20. A woman starts her period during itikaf. She must A. Stay in the mosque. B. Leave and resume later. C. Leave. Her itikaf is void. Answer. B. Leave and resume later. Round 5. Scholarly differences and rare cases. 5 questions. 21. For 24-hour polar day fasting, scholars often advise following the timetable of A. Makkah. B. The nearest normal country. C. Your home country. Answer. B. The nearest normal country. 22. An astronaut should fast according to the cycle of A. The spacecraft. B. Baikonur Cosmodrome. C. Akka, or their departure point. Answer. C. Makkah, or their departure point. 23. The kafara for intentionally breaking a Ramadan fast is, in sequence, A. Free slave, fast 60 days, feed 60 poor. B. Fast 60 days, feed 60 poor. C. Feed 60 poor, fast 60 days. Answer. A. Free slave, fast 60 days, feed 60 poor. 24. According to the Hanafi school, fidyah for a permanently ill person is of wheat per day. A. 1 sa. B. 1/2 sa. C. 1 mud. Answer. B. 1/2 sa. 25. Using a diabetic's continuous glucose monitor, CGM, breaks the fast. Answer B. False. And that's our deep dive for today. These rulings remind us of the beautiful depth and precision in our deen, designed to make our worship mindful and correct. I hope it clarified more than it confused. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe so you don't miss our next discussion as we approach the final 10 nights. Until then, take care, make lots of dua, and may your fasts be accepted. Wassalamu alaikum.
رمضان يا رمضان شهر الرحمة والغفران